Oh, shit.
Come on.
Yeah, torpedo
Like
time.
you in fucking jail.
Oh, my God. You made him,
You all right?
Play
Yes,
young, you beautiful soul. How long's it been?
Oh! Okay, all right, fair enough. I probably deserve it.
All right.
Hi. First jump. Just a little friendly advice. Just get the fuck out of my seat. Come on. There you go. Okay.
Reactor at full power. Quantum jump in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hyperspeed commence.
Holy shit. What happened?
About 30 years.
We're 30 years older?
No, Meatball. 30 years on Earth. It's quantum release time dilation.
So if 30 years passed on Earth?
Everybody on Earth is dead. Look on the bright side, though. They're serving pancakes today.
謎のウイルスの大流行により地球を脱出した人類。
All right, that's fun.
しかしそれは人類を逃がさなかった。
Run, you!
I don't know what it is.
Who wants barbecue?
アンチライフ